I wanted to show you some of the results on one of our channel. Keeping in mind, this is a very small and a baby channel, right? And it's only got, like, as you can see, 6,828 subscribers on the channel. Let me quickly refresh the page. You can see this is real numbers and real channel. The channel name and all the videos will be uh, not visible. The reason for that is because we don't want much competition. And the awesome part about this particular channel is the cost to run this style of channel is super low. Okay, most of the big gurus that tell you, hey, you're gonna be spending close to $100 to $5,000 per video, right? This video that we are uploading, it only costs us $10 to $15, okay, give or take. But most of the time it's only $10 per video. Okay, so as you can see, we haven't been uploading that many on this particular channel, but you can see revenue on this channel, right? So for 3.1 million views, we have got 6.8 thousand subscribers, and the income that we made is $9,000 from 3.1 million views. And if I go to the revenue tab, and you can see that we got $2.92 that we're getting per every 1,000 views. Okay, so you can actually do the math, and pretty much it's very consistent. And the reason I wanted to show you this is because just to show you that the business model is working right now in current time. And I've actually been doing YouTube automation since 2015, 2016. Okay, and we actually built a lot of different channels. So the reason I wanted to just show you the proof is because a lot of beginners who actually getting started with this business model think that this is some sort of get rich quick thing. This business model doesn't work, and the only way you're gonna be making money is you're gonna be selling stuff online to be able to earn income, right? But the good part about YouTube automation is you don't need to sell anything, you don't need to chase customers, and you don't need to even do customer service, right? All you're doing is just uploading the content on YouTube platform, which is totally faceless. All right, you're uploading this content on Facebook, I mean on YouTube, right, on your channel. Keeping in mind, if you get enough watch hours on your channel, and you have enough subscribers, so that way you at least can get monetized. However, what we do on our channel, we start all our videos and we start all our channels pretty much on a already monetized basis. Okay, so we have already monetized channel that's already in the YouTube partner program, and once we start uploading this content on YouTube, from the get-go we start to make money from our channels. Okay, so that's the good part about creating this style of channel. And we can have multiple channels at the same time running at the same time, right? Because the good part is we have multiple teams on the channel, right? So every channel we upload on has their own team dedicated to that particular niche. Okay, so you can create as many channels as you can and have as many income stream as you can, so that way if something actually happens on your channel, like you get copyright or something, happens, like your channels get demonetized, whatever, you always have that backup in the background, and pretty much you don't even need to worry about the one that actually got issues, right? Because you all the time you doing the research, you're finding the right niche, and you're finding the right team, so you can put it together and have this passive income coming to your bank account, like month after month, day after day. So that's the awesome part about building a YouTube automation channel. So if you want to know how I'm actually building this channel and how we actually have our teams creating the content on pretty much on auto basis, right? And I don't need to be present all the time. You can actually just in the comment section, I put a link for my school community. It's a free community. You don't need to pay anything. You can jump in the community and see all the training that we have in the classroom section. I mean, I'm also adding that in there on a daily basis, right? A lot of people actually charge a lot of money, but actually just to give out, I'm giving all this information for free, so you can take it and also start your YouTube automation business model, right? So again, thank you so much for watching. My name is Sanjeev, and I'll speak to you in the next one. God bless you. Bye.